Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect GitHub from Lovable. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for lovable.dev and then log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your account and then choose all projects and then choose the project that it is connected to GitHub and you want to disconnect it from GitHub, and then press on the three dots and then settings. Now when you go down, you will see connectors and you should be able to see GitHub here. You press on it. Now you will see that your project is connected to GitHub. And you can see this disconnect button. You press on it. Now it will show you disconnect GitHub. This stops syncing with GitHub but won't delete your repository. What happens when you disconnect? All the things that happen after you disconnect, and if you reconnect later, a new GitHub repository is created with your latest code. Your original repository remains on GitHub but isn't linked to Lovable. So you press on disconnect and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.